Hi, my name is Chance Eaton. I am the Chief Learning Officer here at Big Skyway. And for today's little learning nugget, I want to wrap up our tour of Patrick Lencioni's 2002 5 Behaviors model. And again, why I like this model so much is because it's very simple, it's very elegant, it's very sticky, and it gives us some framework for how do we work as a team. It has a hierarchy. Today we're going to wrap up with results, but the model goes something like this. If you and I can be human, genuine with each other, comfortable with each other, have that vulnerability with each other, we're more apt to have healthy conflict where we can debate ideas and concepts. And if we can have that great debate, it's much easier for us to develop a plan that has clarity to it and something we can all get behind. So we're unified when we leave this room. We're not leaving in 7 silos. And if we have that clarity in our plan, it's much easier for you and I to hold each other accountable. This is what we agreed on. And then finally, collective results. This is the last one. And why this is important is remember that your organization has a mission, it has a purpose, and it has to reach its goals. We've worked with companies and organizations before where they got along well, they had a nice culture, but they didn't do a good job at reaching the results. If you don't reach your goals, if you don't reach your results, you are by definition a bad team. And so at the end of the day, you can see how this all leads up to results. Now, what might this look like? Collective results might look like team members valuing collective success more than their individual achievement. It might mean that people are making sacrifices for the good of the entire team, staffing, budgets. It might mean that when we fail to achieve a goal, we sit down at the table, we take personal responsibility for what we could have done better and what we'll do better next time. It also means that we're quick to point out the contributions of people around us. These are just some of those characteristics that help drive collective results. Now, why do some organizations struggle with this? Collective results is because they're watching out for themselves. They're watching out for their own resume. They're watching out for their own department. They're watching out for their own ego. Hence, we have 7 silos or 12 silos running around. If you can't create this collective unity around something, you just by definition don't have a great team. So, we've worked with companies too that start with this. Their pyramid's upside down. They're pushing for results, but there's no trust or conflict. You can see why they fall apart. So again, a very elegant model. It's researched, it's simple, it's sticky, and it gives us a framework for how to work as teams. So I hope you've enjoyed Lencioni's 5 Behaviors of a Cohesive Team. Take care. Have a great day.